In order to transfer credit using Flow, simply dial *128 *1876 followed by the 7-digit mobile number. Then star followed by the amount of credit you're trying to send, then the number sign. Call. You will then get a pop-up message asking to confirm or cancel the request. Reply with the number 1, then send. Another pop-up might appear showing that service is not available. Please ignore this message and wait until you receive the SMS showing that the transaction was successful. If the transaction was unsuccessful, you can try again. Thank you for watching.